Hey guys, Judy here with Isa and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing two makeup brands and this is going to be a quick makeup review plus I'm going to show you how I'm going to use these products. It's going to be super quick because I have to run and do some errands. So let's get started. So the first brand that I'm going to be reviewing and I'm going to be using, it is called Undone Beauty. And they went ahead and sent me their UnFoundation Glow Tint, and I got this in Latte Medium, so it's the number 3. It's pretty cool because it's supposed to be a glow tint, so if you're like me that you don't like a lot of like makeup or feel very heavy makeup, like as far as foundation goes, especially for like everyday wear, this is perfect because it's like barely there, you know, makeup. So it's going to give you that nice glow and coverage, but it's not going to be super heavy. One thing that I'd also like is that they have included coconut extract, so that's awesome. So I'm pretty sure it's going to feel really nice on the skin. So their whole thing is about skin perfecting, barely there coverage and for even skin tone and inner glow. So this is going to be perfect for like everyday wear. I'm all about that. So we can use our fingers or we can use sponge, whatever, or brush, whatever you guys want, but I'm going to be applying this with my fingers. And so let's get started. And so I haven't used this product yet, so this is like first time impressions. And you guys can get this product on Amazon, and I'll make sure to link the link below. They were having a promo of like 30% off. Between, I think it was like August 23rd through September 3rd, and you can get their products on Amazon, but I'll make sure to link those things below, and also their social, so you guys can follow Undone Beauty on social, on Insta. So it feels really good. It's like coconut oil with like a tint. That's how I would describe it. And the color, I thought it was gonna be a lot lighter, but it's actually blending with my skin. So I would definitely use this for like everyday wear, like especially like if I'm just like running out of the house and I don't want to do like a lot of makeup. So this is gonna be like super simple. I'm not even going to apply concealer, guys, because like I said, I'm just gonna do like some quick errands and then I'm just gonna come home and relax and watch a movie. So it's gonna be super easy, super simple, something that you guys can do at home too. But I do like the way that it feels. It's super lightweight. It feels really good on the skin, really soft, and it gives me the, you know, perfect coverage for like everyday wear. So that's pretty good. So I give it a thumbs up. Definitely will wear this. Even like when I go to the gym, you know, sometimes I'm like, oh, I need a little bit of color and I need to, you know, not look so pale, or like I need to even out my skin tone. So this is definitely something that I will use. So I definitely love. So yeah, I don't know how to make the disclosure. Undone Beauty did gift me this, guys. So this was a gift from Undone Beauty, and I'll make sure to leave the links down below. So definitely love it. It gives me enough coverage so when I'm like running around doing my errands. So I definitely love. So the next makeup brand that I'm going to be reviewing is the JLo Inglot. Yay! So I'm super excited about this. I honestly love this brand, and the fact that it's Lopez, like even more because I love JLo. I actually have tried these already. I've tested them out already, so I'm like really in love with the eyeliner and the mascara. Inglot did send me this, so they gifted me these products. So I can review them for you guys. So I am going to let you guys know that when I first tried the mascara, I don't know if it was because I was tired or what, but they made the, I'm thinking it was a mascara, okay, or that it was because I was tired, but after I applied the mascara, like my eyes started to like how can I explain it? Like, it was like this, like they were getting watery, and I was like, I don't know what it was, either because I was tired or it was the mascara. Anyways, I was like, I'm gonna try it again like another day, and I did. So it hasn't happened since then. So I don't know what it was, but everything is all good. It's not the mascara. At first I was like, oh no, it's gonna be the mascara, but no, it's not. But the first time I tried it, that happened. So but the good thing is that it hasn't happened since, so let's see. I hope it doesn't happen again. So just gonna apply a coat of the mascara. I really like it. I really love the brush on this mascara. It's so small and so fine, like you can really like get in close to the lash line, and I really like it, like especially like in the inner corners. Like I love it. It brushes the lashes nicely, and I just love the little brush. They look perfect. So I like really like it for that reason. So I'm gonna do my other eye. But yeah, I really like the mascara and the brush. It's like perfect. And I'm only going to apply mascara on my top lashes. And guys, I purchased in advance. Like, I know the lighting is not the greatest. I'm actually in the process of opening a new location, so like my office and my makeup space is not, you know, done. So this will work for now, right? Okay, so see my lashes, they look so nice, even though they're not like big, you know, and long. The mascara does the job. The next product that they sent to me is the gel liner in black. Oh, and the mascara, it was the Viva Lashes mascara in black. So they sent me the liner. So cute. I love the little logo. I love JLo, guys. You guys know. I don't have I don't have my brush. Alright, we're gonna use this one. So I've already used the liner. I have to say I love it because it doesn't smudge. And it's so creamy, but it doesn't like smudge, and it just glides on like so nicely. I am only going to do a little bit because again, this is like super natural look, guys. I will be using these products tomorrow for another makeup tutorial. I'm gonna be going to the JLo concert, so I'm going to be making a cool makeup look with the JLo of Inglot products that they sent me. So make sure that you stay tuned for that. I'll link it up somewhere on this video so you guys can watch it. But I'm only gonna apply a little bit of this gel liner from the JLo Inglot, and I'm only going to do a little bit here, but look at how it just glides, and I'm not even like using a lot of product. It's really like a small amount that I'm using, and it just glides nicely. And it's, you know, it doesn't smudge, guys, and it dries fast. Works. So see, it just makes it different when you add a little bit of liner and a little bit of mascara. I'm going to be filling in my eyebrows a little bit, but definitely, guys, I definitely love these. My fave. I'll be linking down their links down below so you guys can get them if you guys like them. And actually, this is Jennifer Lopez eyeliner, and it's Midnight. It's black, and this one's in black, the mascara. So I love it. So far the glow tint is awesome from Undone Beauty, so thumbs up for that too, guys. This is really my honest opinion. They're not paying me to say what I feel, what I think, and they're not paying me to give them like good reviews. So this is really honestly like what I really think about these products. Okay, so I'm going to be just filling in my eyebrows just a little bit. You know, my fave, Anastasia dip brow and brown, and it's going to be very little, very light. Let me get my other mirror because I need to zoom in. And this is like super easy, guys, like super easy makeup. You guys can do at home. I need to get my eyebrows redone. And if you guys know, if you guys follow me, you guys have seen that I'm gonna start doing. I'm now taking appointments for microblading. So if you guys are in my area and you guys want to get it done, let me know. I have a special going on. But I need to get them redone. But I'm just gonna fill in this area here. And just a little bit. Again, we don't want to, I'm not going overboard. It's going to be like super light, super natural. So that's done. See, super easy, guys. This is like quick makeup. Like I said, I don't want to do too much because I'm just gonna run errands and then come home. So if I don't need to wear makeup, I will not wear makeup. So now I'm going to do a little bit of blush, and that's it, and then we're done. Like, that's it. So I'm using the Koki blush palette, and I'm just gonna do a little bit just to give me some color. Super good. That's it. Some color, and then I'm going to do what am I gonna do? I'm probably gonna do like just a lip gloss, and So I'm gonna use my favorite lip gloss, and I don't really like lip gloss. Like, I'm not a big fan of them, but this is one of my favorites because it tastes so good and it smells so good. It's from Bath and Body Works, and it's the mint lip gloss. And I love it. It tastes so yummy. But anyways, guys, this is like the review, the makeup demo. It's like what I like. Like, this is simple, it's easy, like you do it in like 5 minutes, and that's it, you know. So giving these products a thumbs up. I will be doing another makeup demo with the Inglot Cosmetics that they sent me, and yeah. So this is the look, guys. I am going to do one last thing, and that's I'm going to grow my lashes again, just a little bit, and then that's it. This is like super easy, guys. See, that's it. So I'm ready to go. I'm gonna head out. I need to finish doing some work, and then go running my errands, and then come home and chill. So I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my videos. As always, make sure to share this out, like, comment, and check out the links down below for these products if you guys want to try them out yourself. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.